Alright guys, here's another way to fix. This is one of the carbons we were working on earlier. We put a fin on it and sometimes this happens. Your saw gets away with it and you get an extra bit. So what you do here is you go get some sawdust that you are close to having from one of your carvings. Put some of this wood glue together with it and make it kind of like a pasty type shit. And then just start stuffing it in here. Kind of like that. Yeah, now if you were gonna clear coat it, you can see this more so, but she's painting this. So by the time this dries and she sands over it, you'll never see it. And it's a good way to cover up your boo-boos. So, there you go. When you sand down, you paint it, you'll never know. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to like them.